Hello everyone, I'm back in YouTube. We're gonna have a lot of videos started with a skill server, long video, and because of the situation surrounding the world, um, none of us were in mood to create video or work on YouTube, but we're back again, and we have a lot of videos. I'm recording a lot. Started with skill server, long videos, professionals, and we're gonna have a lot of in AI and Python, everything. We're gonna have videos gonna be professional and longer. And thank you so much for all of your support. Uh, I think it's about 2 or 3 months that I was on YouTube, but I got new subscribers and a lot of comments. Thank you for all of your support, and I'm publishing videos again. Hope you enjoy it. Support it by likes and your comments, everything. Thank you so much, and appreciate I could create and I will do create professional and better videos. Thank you so much all for support.